Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is enthusiast. In this video, you learn how to get device information by Python. Let's start to this video. So at first we need to create a file. New Python file. Device info. Done. For this project we will need two modules, socket and basic tool. Import SOC socket import basic tool. Done. For getting host name we need to write host n host name equal socket dot get host name, then IP IP address equal to socket dot get host by name, and here we need to pass this variable host name st host name. Done. Then for getting memory information we need to write memory info equals to equal as dot virtual memory. Done. Then for getting disk information, disk information equal to dot disk uses. Then we need to give here the sign. Now we need to print these things. Here I print HOS host name equal to then host name. I'm going to copy it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Done. Then IP address IP IP address. Here we need to take the IP address variable IP address, then memory info information equal to memory info, then disk information disk information, and we need to pass here the variable disk info. Disk info. Done. But for security purpose I am not going to print my own IP address, so I am commenting it. Let's run it. Look, host name, memory information and disk information it's showing, and if I remove the sign and run it again, then my IP address will also be printed here. But for security purposes, I am not printing it. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.